7 powerful techniques to sharpen memory and learn faster tips to boost memory. We live in a fast-paced and digital world which is filled with constant information. And so, having a sharp memory and ability to learn and adapt quickly is a valuable skill to have. Whether you are a student who is preparing for exams or a professional who aims to succeed in your career, improving your memory can have a significant impact on your life. So, here we list some simple yet powerful techniques which you can include in your daily routine to sharpen memory and enhance focus. 1. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are tools that help your brain encode and retrieve information more effectively. This technique includes associating complex data with simple words, phrases, or images. For example, acronyms, rhymes, and storytelling are some of the common mnemonic methods. Also, creating mental images with information makes it easier to recall them. For example, if you're learning a new language, associating words with familiar objects or experiences can help in remembering them. 2. Practice active recalling. An example of active recalling is, instead of rereading notes, try to recall the key points. One can use flashcards to implement active recalling, as it forces your brain to pull information from memory rather than just recognizing it. Another way of active recalling is teaching what you've learned to someone else. This helps in reinforcing one's knowledge. 3. Use the repetition technique. Rote learning. We all have done this in school, and it does work to some extent. Constantly repetition involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. But the trick here is to review things after some gap. For example, after learning something new, review it after a day, then after a few days, then a week, and so on. This method prevents forgetting and strengthens long-term memory. 4. Use multiple senses in learning. The more senses you involve in learning, the better your brain used and retains the information. Instead of just reading, try listening to audiobooks, writing notes by hand, or explaining concepts out loud. Visualization techniques, such as drawing diagrams or using color-coded notes, can make ideas more concrete and remembering them easier. Engaging different senses in learning improves both understanding and recalling information. 5th method of loci. This method includes associating information with specific locations. For example, instead of remembering an address, associate it with a specific landmark. Or remember an event with the location where it was held. Associating one information with the other often makes it easier to remember things in the long run. 6. Keyword method. Associate simple keywords with major information. This will help you remember things better. For example, think of pizza, and it instantly reminds one of Italy. Or think of AI, and it reminds one of ChatGPT, Grok, and other apps. One can also associate their own keywords with other information, which will help you remember things better. 7. Use the Pomodoro Technique. Pomodoro Technique is a time management method was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1880s. It helps one improve focus and productivity by breaking bigger work into short intervals, traditionally 25 minutes long, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, a longer 15 to 30-minute break is taken. The method improves one's concentration, reduces burnout, and prevents procrastination by making tasks feel more manageable.